shitagi. Shitagi mean underwear. The word, the kanji shita. Shita is mean the lower or under, right? So, or down. So in here, shita is mean under, and gi. The kanji of gi is from the kanji of kiku. Kiku is mean wear. So when you wear something, so you can use kiku or kikimasu. So in here we use the kanji of mean wear and the kanji of mean under. So it can be mean underwear. So shitagi is mean underwear. And in here we have the sentence like これは男性用下着です。これは男性用下着です。男性 is mean meant. Yo is mean for. And 下着 is mean underwear. So you can be like underwear for men. これ is mean this is, right? So this is the underwear for men. これは男性用下着です。If you want to say this is the underwear for women, you can say like これは女性用下着です。これは女性用下着です。It means this is the underwear for women. 女性 is mean women. So when you use with the 用下着, this means the underwear for women. Or you can say like the underwear for the children. You can say 子供用下着です。子供用下着です。子供 is mean the children, and yo is mean for, and 下着 is mean for